wanna know a secret? What? You could go to portraitartacademy.com for dozens of art classes and tutorials. That's not a secret, I already knew that. Oh, sorry. Now that the face is entirely done, which is amazing, the hardest part, I also think this line should go down a little bit. Not that one so much. Maybe this one needs to be lighter. Yeah, other than that, it's both basically done. And yeah, it's also, I don't know, maybe it needed to be a little thinner. We're just going to do the clothes. And I don't want to explain too much about the clothes because, to be frank, I don't care as much about the clothes. Sometimes artists will put less detail into less important pieces of art because, okay, and this line needs to be really light. Unless you want to put like a dark background behind it, then you can make it thicker or darker. But anyway, yeah, artists will make the beholder focus on the most important parts by making the rest blurrier or less detailed on purpose. And I'm going to still kind of draw what I see here, but it's easier. And because if you mess up a few lines, it's not going to affect her look, like how she, like oh yeah, it just doesn't look like her. And especially people who know that person will immediately see like, oh, something's off. I can't put my finger on it. It just doesn't look like her. And because they're not artists, they can't really tell you why. Sometimes maybe, but most of the time they just see that there's something that doesn't make her look like her or him if you're drawing a male. And they just, but if something's off about the shirt, who cares, right? It's a shirt. So, but I want the contrast of that dark hair and the dark on the shirt here. And so I'm gonna just draw the shirt here with a light pencil, and then I'm gonna use the HB pencil to put some darker areas in there. I'm going to go with the direction of these lines because they are there in the shirt, and they're even slightly visible. I can see, and if I do this like this, not a straight line, but this like yeah, what do you call that? The line. If I do that, then it looks like there's actually something going on here. That's just a technique to indicate that it isn't a straight line.